बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। कुल्लु नफ्सिन ज़ाइक़तुल मौत व इन्नमा तुवफ़्फ़ौना उजूरकुम यौमल क़ियामा व मन ज़ुहज़िहा अनिन नारि वदख़िलल जन्नत फ़क़द फ़ाज़ व मल हयातुद दुनिया इल्ला मताउल ग़ुरूर। Every soul will know the taste of death, and you will get your recompense in full on the day of judgment. And he who is saved from the hellfire and entered into the paradise will be successful. And as for the life of this world is concerned, this is just a counterfeit wealth. The world's most famous fashion designer and author Christina Rodriguez wrote this article before she died of cancer. I have the most expensive brand car in the world in my garage, but now I travel in a wheelchair. My house is full of all kinds of designer clothes, shoes and valuables, but my body is wrapped in a small sheet provided by the hospital. There is enough money in the bank, but now I am not getting any benefit from this money. My house is like a palace, but I am living in a double-sized bed in the hospital. I can go from one five-star hotel to another five-star hotel, but now I spend time in the hospital moving from lab to lab. I gave autograph to hundreds of people, but the doctor's note today is my own autograph. I had 7 beauticians to decorate my hair, but today I do not have a single hair on my head. On a private jet, I can fly wherever I want, but now I need the help of 2 persons to get to the hospital porch. Although there is a lot of food, but my diet is 2 tablets a day and a few drops of salt water at night. This house, this car, this furniture, so many bank accounts, so much reputation and fame, none of them work for me. None of this can give me any relief. Real life is about comforting a lot of people and putting a smile on their face, and there is no reality but death. This is one facelet of life, but the real life is to live according to the principle of Islam. We request you to subscribe our channel, like our videos, forward them to your friends, press the bell notification so that you may get timely notification all motivational videos. Thank you very much for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.